For example, there's a pretty neat tip that I've read from Adobe. When you create a new rectangle, they always use like the most bright red color. You may have seen that before. I don't know if they still do it, but haven't used Adobe products in months, years. But it's so bright red that you immediately spot the color in the sidebar where the color can be changed, right? And so by using this incredibly annoying red color, instead of using a white or black, which you would imagine would be because that's the least amount of color, but you wouldn't spot like the white color in the sidebar. So that's like one hack to be like, okay, if I make something so obviously wrong, your brain immediately sees, okay, here I can change it. With Calacom, we just invest a lot in like mental hierarchy, where you have, of course, you have user settings, which always applies to every single link. And then you have event-based settings, which only apply to each link. And if you think about it, if you want to share a link to someone and that link should be different than the other links, then it's not a user setting, right? It's clearly a link setting. So it's quite intuitive to be thinking about, is this a link setting or a user setting in the context of like, will this apply to every link or just an individual link?